Alright, in this video we're going to be looking at Objective 4. In Objective 4, we're going to learn how to calculate the cash discount and the net amount due. So for this one, the terms of the sale, this is covered in your book, and you can click on Read It to see, to read about what terms of sale mean. Please make sure you're looking at your textbook because it explains this very well. But the 2 is 2% discount if paid within 10 days. But the net amount is due in 45 days. So the way we calculate the cash discount is to take the 2 and change it to a percent. So as we were discussing this in previous videos, what you're going to do is change the percent to a decimal. So we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. So 1, 2, so 0.02 would be our decimal. So that is the discount that we're taking. Okay, so 0.02 times the amount of the invoice. So we're going to do 14,660 times 0.02. So your discount is $293.20. Now to calculate the net amount due, you take the amount of the invoice, which is 14,660, minus the cash discount of $293.20. So the net amount due is $14,366.80. All right, looking at the next one. Before I work that, I want to show you how the book explains this as far as that partial payment. Okay, so the partial payment is going to earn a partial cash discount credit. Okay, so some manufacturers and suppliers will allow the buyers to pay part of the invoice by the discount date. So that's what a partial payment is. They're paying a little bit by the discount date. So here they're looking at $415 and $45, but a 4% cash discount means the retailer will pay 96% of the bill. So let's look at ours. So here 2%, which is 0.02 as a decimal, remember percent to the decimal left, means that 1 minus 0.02 is we're paying 98% after the discount. So what that means is for every dollar we're saving 2 cents and only paying 98 cents for each dollar. All right, and that's kind of what the book is explaining. Okay, so 98 cents for ours is going to go toward each dollar. So we have to determine how many 98 cents are in the partial payment, and that's going to tell us the credit we will receive. So you take the partial payment and divide it by what we just did, which was 100% minus 2%, which was 98%, which is 0.98. So you're going to take the partial payment and divide it by 0.98. So let's just go straight to the problem here. And our partial payment is $2,600. So how many 98 cents are in $2,600? Okay, so that is the amount that we're actually paying towards the invoice. Since we got a discount, that 2600 is going to count as 2653.06 toward the amount of the invoice. Make sure you round to the nearest penny there. All right, then what I did was I did 83.03 minus the credit for the partial payment of 2653.06. So that's the net amount due. So I'm going to conclude there, and let me know if you have any questions.